today I'm going to actually be reviewing the MediRub Massager 2000 Plus. Why? Because I've had it for a long time, well over 10 years, and I use it on my wife pretty regularly. First off, let me say that I'm not a healthcare or medical professional, so the content in this video today is going to be purely for recreation and entertainment purposes. And now that I've got that disclaimer out of the way, we can get into the video. My wife has suffered over the years with chronic back pain, body aches, and other physical maladies over the years. And way back when, she would have to go to a chiropractor to get worked on, and she would actually get some relief and she would feel better, but it wasn't just a one-time thing, right? It wasn't permanent. So it would require repeat visits. And depending on the chiropractor, they can charge $30 to $50 or more per session. And so she was going probably at least a couple of times a month. The chiropractors that she used all had a particular massager that they would work on her with. We came across this one garage sale, and there was a massager in the box, brand spanking new. It was the MediRub Massager 2000 Plus. The lady had it for sale for $5. $5. We had done some searching before, and back then, there wasn't a whole lot of online shopping. So when we saw this, my wife got incredibly excited and she says, we have to buy this. And so we got incredibly lucky. I'm gonna show you a little bit online what it looks like. Massager 2000 Plus, and we'll just go to Amazon. So here it is, brand spanking new for $349. It does come with Prime one-day shipping, so that's free, that's good. And the casing is very, very durable. It's got this steel casing all around with the motor, the handle, and it's got, actually those handles are very ergonomic. And it comes with a very soft leather-like, and I don't know if that's leather or vinyl, padding surface that the massager works through. And it comes with 2 speed settings, high and low, depending on what your body can take. It is corded, and there's actually pretty long cord. I can't remember how long it is, 8 foot or something like that. But it's long enough that if you were laying in bed, there should be an outlet near you to plug it into. The chiropractors were using this massager on my wife with no issues. She felt great afterwards, and usually it's kind of a warm up or a warm down after, whatever they do, wrenching on her and all this kind of stuff. So the way I use it is typically before my wife goes to bed, because she does have pain. And by using this, it relaxes her and it gives her relief where she doesn't have to focus on the pain, and she's able to go to sleep. Otherwise, she'll be up. So the way I use it is starting with her back, and she lays on the bed. I work from one shoulder across her back to the other shoulder, and I go in that back and forth motion down her body. And then when I get to her legs, I do that separately, but I do each leg all the way down to the ankle, and then I go to the other leg, go back and forth down to the ankle. And then I usually will do the bottom of her feet with that massager. And that massager, it follows the contours of the body incredibly nice. And usually what I then do is go up the length of her body from the foot up to the shoulders and to the neck area, and go back and forth, up and down. And then if she wants to get her front done, she just flips over. I repeat that same process, and I make sure that I get her hands, when I come down her arms, I get her hands. I usually do the top of her hands and the palm of her hands. And it really makes for a nice overall whole body massage. that's not intense, and it delivers the right, I think, vibrations to really get her in a very, very good state of mind. And the last thing she wants me to do is she'll fold her hands like this and put it on her face, basically resting it on her nose. And then I'll put the massager with the pad side down on top of her hands. So her hands are like this on her face, on her nose, and the massager goes on top of her hands, and the vibrations go through into her nose. And when she sneezes, usually within 20 to 30 seconds, massage is done. And apparently she learned that from the chiropractors because that's what they told her to do. It does clear out your sinus passages to a degree. This particular product online, it actually comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, that's a company that has total confidence in their product. It means it's good, and we've had it for 20 years and it's never failed on us. It works the same today as it did the very first time we brought it home. So I can't say enough about that. So that's just my review of this product. I mean, it's wonderful. I would say it's a godsend for my wife, right? Because we've had other massagers, they don't do nearly what this thing does on a whole body massage level. So I wanted to pass that on to you. And you guys have a terrific rest of your day.